Hey, baby. What do we call him? Not conworm.
Little fatty boy.
Come on, conworm.
Fatty
What?
boy.
You doing circles now? Stupid. He's like, fuck, I love that cat food. Oh my god. I don't like garlic, but yeah, and the weird soap water is okay. Yeah.
Little Sandy.
Little sandy, but I can poo sand. Oh, he's cute, huh?
So cute.
Hey.
A little fat. You eat a lot.
Wow. That's probably the guy who gets into our fire pit mostly.
Mm-hmm.
Wow.
Look at the tail.
That can get into the chicken coop.
Sure.
Easy.
Yeah.
That's #1 chicken enemy.
Mm-hmm.